Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. Now this is a quick video to inform you about the WP Rocket Halloween sale that is going on right now, and during the sale you will get a 20% off on its plans for a limited time only until November 3rd, 2022. Now this is a site-wide 20% sale, so even if you are buying it does not matter which plan basically you're buying a single plan or an infinite plan, you will get a 20% off. Now link to this deal is in the description box below, so basically you can use that link to purchase to get this discount, and it is an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you decide to purchase using our link. So now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you what exactly is this discount. I'll take you through its pricing and then its features, and you can decide it for yourself if this is the right plugin for you. But basically, a disclaimer, I personally use this plugin on all my sites. This is a recommended plugin. So in case you are looking for a robust cache plugin, a performance optimization plugin, then WP Rocket is the plugin that you must give a try, I would say. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to see is the screen is basically the homepage of WP Rocket that I will be sharing with you. So here we are on the homepage of WP Rocket, and as you can see, the Halloween sale is live now, and you will get 20% off on all its plans for a limited time only. That is until November 3rd, 2022. Now the first thing that we are going to discuss is its pricing. So to see its plans, you can click pricing right over here, buy WP Rocket right over here, or get WP Rocket now right over here, and it will take you to the same page. It will show you the pricing basically. So let me click right over here. So you can see right over here that WP Rocket has three plans. The first one is the single plan, the second is the plus, and the third one is the infinite. Now the first thing that you will have to know here is that all of these plan include all of the same features. So the features that you will get are exactly the same in three plans. The only difference is the single plan is for a single website, the plus plan is for three sites, and the infinite plan is for unlimited websites. The second difference is now the second difference is the pricing. So you can see right over here, single is for 39.20 on Halloween. The original pricing is 49. You can see right over here. Plus is for 79.20. The original pricing is $99. The infinite plan is for 199.20, and the original price is for 249. Now remember, this is a limited time only offer, and once it expires it will turn back to its original pricing, which is 49, 99 and 249. So make sure if you are looking to buy WP Rocket, then this is the right time. Link to it is in the description box below. It will be the first link. Okay, now coming to its features. So here we are on the features page of WP Rocket, and I will leave a link to this page as well in the description box below, so you can check it out for yourself. Now the first thing that I'm going to tell you is that I personally use WP Rocket on all our sites, and the reason behind this is this plugin is super easy to configure, plus it has results. It gives you results if you are using it correctly. If it's configured correctly, you will see the loading times being improved. Okay, now in case you are unable to understand what exactly a certain feature does, what you can do is that there is a help article on top of most features. I would say you can click that help button, and it will take you to its documentation where you can read more about it. In case you are still not comfortable, then get in touch with WP Rocket team and they will surely help you out. Okay, now the first feature that we are going to discuss is the cache. So basically in this, what WP Rocket does is it creates a static HTML version of your website that is that loads fast, that is super easy to deliver, which improves the loading time of your website. So search engine loves a fast loading website, and this is what this cache feature does. The next is the file optimization feature. Now when it comes to file optimization, WP Rocket has multiple features where you can minify HTML files, CSS, JS, combine them. All of these features are there, and these can be, activated with just a few clicks. Now remember, when it comes to combining files there, or deferring files, there are chances that your site might break. So you will have to test these things before you start implementing them. Now this is not just with WP Rocket, this is with other cache plugins as well. So keep this in mind while you are implementing these features. Some of these features will work for you, some of these features won't work for you. If they don't, then of course, as you can again get in touch with WP Rocket team, and they will suggest you what is the best way you can move forward with these features. Okay. Now the next is for the media files. Now for the media files, WP Rocket has lazy load that can be activated for iframes and images with just one click. Okay. Now what happens in lazy load is that, the image that is visible or that is about to be visible will only be, loaded. Rest all of the images on the web page will not be loaded until unless they are on the viewport. So that improves the loading time of the page. Again, WP Rocket is also compatible with WebP images, and you can activate that feature with just one click. Now the next feature that we are going to discuss is preloading. Now in this, what happens is, as soon as you install WP Rocket, it starts to preload the pages and posts that you have on your website. Now this preloading feature works in two ways. Manually, either you can tell which pages to include or exclude, and the second way is through your sitemap. Now I personally use the sitemap feature, and WP Rocket is compatible with all of the the popular SEO plugins that generate sitemaps. And once you have installed one of those plugins, it will show you that option that if you want to basically use the sitemap generated by that plugin or not. It is an option that you can select or deselect based on your requirements. Okay. Now, after preloading, the next feature that we are going to discuss is the database optimization, or just the database. Now, if you have a WordPress site, then you will be creating posts, you will be updating them, you will be creating pages, you will be updating them. There will be comments, there will be spam comments as well, and then plugins will be generating their temporary files, and you will have revisions as well. Now, all of these things basically contribute to the bloat on your website, which causes your website to load slow. With the help of WordPress Rocket, you do not need any other database optimization plugin, as you can get rid of all of these things with just one click. Okay, trust me when I say you can get these, you can clean your database with just one click, because there is an option available that you can use. Now it is important to know here that WP Rocket also allows you to schedule these actions, and there is an option that allows you to select the duration after which the database optimization should happen automatically. I've personally set it to 1 week, so it automatically cleans up the database and preloads the pages automatically. Now moving on, the next feature that we are going to discuss is the CDN. So basically what CDN exactly does is, so first of all, the definition is basically content delivery network, and as the name suggests, it creates a copy of your website and it distributes it amongst its network. Okay, so here what happens is that, so let's understand it with this example where you have a website that is hosted on a server in USA, and you have clients both in US, or let's just call it three places in US, in North of America, let's just say in Central Europe, and in Australia, or in different parts of in Asia, let's just say that. So in this situation, the North American clients would be able to access the website quickly because the server location is nearer to them, whereas some latency will be experienced by clients in Europe, and more latency will be experienced by clients in Asia or Australia. Okay, in this situation, if you're using a CDN, what it does is it distributes your website, a copy of your website across its network, where the nearest location will now be delivering files to the users or the clients. Okay, Now this reduces the latency, improving the loading times. Now it is important to know here that WP Rocket has its own CDN, which is the Rocket CDN. In case you are not using Rocket CDN and you are looking and you are using some other CDN solution, then CDN service basically, then WP Rocket is compatible with that, and it allows you to basically integrate it with WP Rocket. Now for Cloudflare users, there is an add-on that comes, and that is what we are going to discuss next. So now WP Rocket, as I was discussing, WP Rocket comes with the add-ons as well, where you can integrate Varnish, Cache, Cloudflare, and Skewery with them, and you can basically control it with just one click. So more or less, these are the features that WP Rocket comes with. I would love for you to give this plugin a try. I've been using this plugin for the longest time possible, and it is, installed instantly as soon as we launch a new website, because without this we are not launching a website. This is the plugin that we like. Okay, this is a recommended plugin by me personally. I always recommend it to my friends, and I always recommend it to any of our clients for whom we do blog setups and stuff like that. Okay, so again, let me take you through its pricing for the Halloween, and here is the pricing. The single plan is for 39.20, is for a single website, originally priced at 49, plus is for 79.20. Three websites originally priced at 99. Infinite is for 199.20, and originally it is priced at 249. It is for unlimited websites. Now again, remember here, the difference is the number of sites you can use the WP Rocket license on. Rest all of the features you will get in all of the plans. Every feature is including in each of these plans. There is no other difference. Okay, so now again, the link to it is in the description box below. Feel free to use the link. It is an affiliate link where I will make a small commission if you decide to purchase using our link. Now I hope you will find this video helpful and are able to claim the WP Rocket Halloween deal. Now if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. Now in case you have any queries regarding this, then feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below, along with the link to WP Rocket. Feel free to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.